Assalamualaikum. How do I set Adobe Premiere Pro on my NVIDIA graphics card? So let's start it. First of all, I need to look at the location where it is, the exe file. Here it is, the location, Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, this is the exe file. Here we go. Let's search graphics settings. There we go. Graphics settings. Yeah. Performance. So now I need to browse here. This is Adobe Premiere Pro 23, not this. Okay, so it should be on local disk. Check that here. Here, local disk, program data, Microsoft Windows. Then program data. Here we go. I put that. Alright, now you can run this like a Z. Thank you. Keep well.